That report is expected to link autism to the use of a popular pain reliever by pregnant women. Let's get right to Fox 5's Antwan Lewis for more on this breaking story. He's in our newsroom. Antwan, what do we know?
Sharon, good afternoon. We are awaiting the president's announcement, which is expected to begin at any moment. Now, reports are the administration will link autism to the use of Tylenol by women who are pregnant, more specifically to acetaminophen, the primary component in Tylenol. The Trump administration again expected to announce that it has determined use of acetaminophen could contribute to autism risk during pregnancy. Tylenol, along with generic forms of acetaminophen, are most commonly used for pain relief and fever reduction in pregnant women. There are also reports the administration will also highlight a form of folate known as leucovorin as a potential autism treatment. Now, this afternoon, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt was asked for more details on the announcement, and here's what she had to say.
But what I can assure you is that Robert F. Kennedy and the incredible health team that this president has put together are really viewing things in a much different lens. And they are paying attention to studies and the gold standard of science and research that many in this city for far too long have turned a blind eye to. So I think Americans are going to be enlightened and proud of what they hear later this afternoon.
Now, in a statement to Fox 5, Kenvue, the makers of Tylenol, says, quote, "We believe independent sound science clearly shows that taking acetaminophen does not cause autism. We strongly disagree with any suggestion otherwise and are deeply concerned with the health risk that this poses for expecting mothers." A number of health organizations, including Autism Speaks and the Autism Science Foundation, are pushing back, saying there is no credible science which shows any link between acetaminophen and autism. And again, as we are keeping our eye on the podium there, that news conference was supposed to begin sometime around 4. We're still waiting on it, and we'll, of course, bring it to you once we get that information, Sharon.
All right, great. Thanks, Antwan.